These all are
this is POS
mobile
machine.
devices. Mobile. These.
This is mobile device, no?
No. This is mobile devices.
This is
billing printer.
Billing 3-inch automated thermal printer.
Automated billing.
High quality.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The style is different, no?
Yeah, sir. This is for restaurant.
Citizen.
This is for restaurant purposes. This is for.
This is 4-inch, no?
Restaurant purposes. Wise is different.
But weight is, high weight.
The city actually a CDN body की metal है.
Yes. उसमें LAN है.
Very compact, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, both. It's beautiful, no? This one. 4-inch. This is also 4-inch, no?
3
inches.
4 inches. That one is 4 inches.
4 inches.
These both are 3-inch, no?
That's 4 inches.
4-inch thermal. This is. But for billing purpose, 3-inch is enough. This one approximate how many difference, sir? Approximate.
This one around 8 to 8.
Citizen price little high. But quality is wise, I think it's very good.
This is expensive. This you can try.
These are a detail range.
This even Epson it is going up to 13,000. Epson T82.
RTP82 is okay, no?
RTP82 which we are taking restaurant. Restaurant number 1.
That is now it comes with LAN also.
LAN also. LAN of course required for the restaurant.
No, both will come.
This is I saw there, but my Android software is still developing.
Okay.
Sir, Citizen, no?
4 inches printer.
Visiting card. All Citizen.
All Citizen printer. There are 200, 300 dpi. It is available in 200, 300 dpi, and it is also.
This is all basically for shipping level, no?
Shipping levels, yes.
This is all 6 inches.
6 inches printer.
6-inch printer.
6 inches head.
This is 6-inch head.
Yes, sir.
Wow. One side open.
Yes, sir.
This is 4-inch,
Yeah,
right?
this is 4 inch, this is 6 inch.
में तो आप कैसे सही को उसमें प्रिंट कर सकते हैं ओनली जितना सही से
digital imaging in all planes to provide seamless reading of 1D2D code designed with lower bonnet and customer facing mobile reader and engage in mobile commerce, available as scanner and a scanner scale combination. So this is what I was talking about. You can
Good.
teach the product based on
Which is this one?
the product. Yes, even there the barcode is not there.
Normal USB is there.
USB,
This USB is there.
yes,
And there is a lot of LAN connections are there.
yes, sir. So these all are scanners of 1D scanner, 2D
There the,
scanner.
no.
These are scanners of 1D or 2D.
ये हमने normally here
normal.
this is what we are dealing normally. 600. This is 600, right? 500. Yeah, 600.
Less than 600.
Nearby 1 lakh is there.
That is 1 lakh. Huh?
That is highly advanced, basically for supermarket.
I saw this one only in Gulf, not in here.
Yeah, Gulf basically. If you're talking about Gulf, I think you have visited Jitex, right?
No, I visited yesterday. I saw there in Carrefour. Carrefour they have.
So yeah, so we have supplied that, as well as there is another upgrade model of this which is coming with a camera.
The
Even if the barcode
image detection.
Yeah, so even if the barcode is not there in the
Yeah.
product, like orange or apple, it can detect based on the identification of that product, what product it is.
Yeah.
The weight will be taken, and based on that, you will get the billing automatically. This is
You got it.
self check-in.
I
Basically.
understand. But you have this technology or how it is?
Yeah, you know, it's our product only.
No, okay. But for example, the related software you can provide or no?
Absolutely, yes.
Then very good.
Yes.
For example, I have a billing software. Can I integrate with my billing software?
That is made standard that can get integrated with any billing software.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Very
We
good.
have demonstrated that in Jitex. In India market, so far it is not that much hype of the demand or for
yeah.
that kind of machine. But yes, for coming future, when Amazon and they come up
They,
with store,
but this is much important because in a vegetable shop and all, no, we'll keep
Absolutely.
keep the vegetable like that, remove it.
absolutely
Keep
right.
it.
Yes, yes. So even that machine camera has the feature that you can put. It's basically a pattern. Like you have a different kind of apples also, right?
Yeah.
SQA, SQB.
Correct.
So even that it can detect that what SKU it
What,
is, what apple it is. Okay.
In
on
Apple,
that
there is
grade-
a different grades.
So
Exactly.
based on that grade, also automatically it will detect and bill it. So there is a image.
Even for example, banana also may be same. Banana.
Yes.
There
So
is
we
a
have kept those bananas and apples there and have shown the demonstration live
live.
in Dubai.
But
recently.
the software which you are using in that,
Normal software, billing software, because that is there.
it's the integration
When we
part.
talk about configuring all the products, that
yes.
is a data logic software.
Yeah, you will do it.
I will have to teach the camera that this is Apple A, this is
Okay.
Apple B.
That software
is
you
data
have?
logic software, but the billing software can get integrated anywhere. So that
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
so calibration will be done one time
Yeah.
based on the SKUs,
Yes.
and then the billing will do randomly by any product.
But see, if I am dealing with Ambassador for a long time. I think.
Yes, yes.
Being into such a technology in our software, that I have, for example, normal weighing machine or something like that, or maybe this weighing machine. I need that particular software. How it should be, we can connect it.
That software has nothing to do with your software.
Okay.
It is totally used for calibration of the machine.
That's
Once it is calibrated, I will give you the data at your software.
Okay.
So you need the data, right? That
Exactly.
this is Apple A.
Exactly.
I will bill it.
This is
Simple.
what I need.
Apple B, I will bill it.
Correct.
Simple.
So
Rest everything will be
I
done
can
by
contact
data logic.
Anbu sir or how?
Anbu.
Sir, no?
Yeah, I will give my card.
Yeah, please. So how we need to do? Teach me. I will. Yes.
And retail will do
This
it.
is what
So he is the technical person, and he will do it.
I can done completely. No, if I give any test or team view or
yes,
something.
Yes.
This is very important because long time I am checking this technology. I go to so many people. I search so many India Mart and all. I did not find such kind of machine. Weighing machine plus barcode
These are
scanner.
imported machines. I will just show you.
See, there is there is so many connectivity also there in the backside.
That is
It is polyester, right, sir? Again, there is, I think, hologram something is there, huh?
Yeah, this is hologram, foil stamping. This is paper. On paper, we have done the foil stamping.
Yeah. This is all are wax or
Wax resin.
what is this? Normal pen. All sizes are there.
Yeah, whatever size you like. Customers.
That is normal pen. Okay. Okay,